Begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle and remove the rear wheels. The tow arm connects the subframe, blue arrow, via the arm, green arrow, to the wheel carrier, red arrow. You will need to remove the sway bar mounts and swing it out of the way to access the eccentric bolts on the subframe end of the tow arm. Use a 13mm socket or wrench and remove the mount and swing the bar down and out of the way. Mark both eccentric washers on the subframe in several places, red arrows. Even though you're going to get the alignment redone, this will help you get everything close so you can drive the car to the shop. Support the ball joint end at the wheel carrier and use an 18mm wrench to remove the nut. If the ball joint spins while trying to remove the nut, use a T40 Torx and fit it into the tapered end to hold the ball joint in place, red arrow. This will allow you to remove the nut. Use a ball joint separator and remove the ball joint from the wheel carrier. Next, use an 18mm and 19mm wrench and loosen the subframe fasteners, blue arrows. With the nut off, use a pry bar to help walk the bolt out of the subframe mount. Don't forget the eccentric washer that you have marked on the inside mount. There is very little clearance between the bolt and the header. You will need to angle the arm to remove the bolt, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to line up the eccentric bolts when installing the new arm, and then get the car properly aligned. This is also a good time to consider upgrading to an adjustable tow arm like the Renline product shown here. Do not put any grease on the Dacromet finished hardware. Torque the ball joint end to 56 foot-pounds and the subframe hardware to 74 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.